Hello guys, welcome to our channel Cloud Learners. So we are back again with a new video on a very interesting topic. So today's video is going to be really very interesting. Like we'll be discussing about a new tool launched by AWS in this month only. But before discussing about that tool, let me ask you a question. Hope you guys are aware about the term global warming. Do you know the carbon footprint is the reason for the global warming? So my question to you guys is like what exactly you guys are doing to reduce this carbon footprint? Do let me know your answers in the comment section. So you must be thinking guys what this silly guy is asking, why the silly guy is asking the question about carbon footprint in a session for cloud learning. So let me disclose you like this particular tool that is launched by AWS is related to carbon footprint only. So let's first try and understand what exactly is carbon footprint. So carbon footprint is the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere as a result of activities of a particular individual, organization, or community. So as this statement stands, like carbon footprint is the result of activities of particular individual, organization, or community. Now let's try to understand what kind of activities we are talking about here. So activities could be such as like the petrol and diesel consumptions we are doing, the electricity consumption, the food we consume, especially meat. So all this kind of activity, there are many more other activities that are resulting into the carbon footprint. So talking especially in terms of cloud, we can call the electricity consumption is the reason for carbon footprint. Like the servers that we are running on cloud, the servers we are running on premises, etc., are resulting in increasing the carbon footprint. So this increasing in carbon footprint is resulting in increasing the global warming on the planet. So as an individual, I request you to reduce the carbon footprint as much as possible. Now let's see what exactly AWS is doing in terms of reducing carbon footprint. So AWS is targeting to run all its operations on a renewable energy 100% by the year 2025. Initially, they have targeted it for year 2030, but they are 5 years ahead, which is really good, very good step from them. And they are targeting to go net zero carbon by the year 2040. So really, it's very appreciative step from AWS in terms of reducing this carbon footprint. Hey guys, now let's discuss about the tool that is created by AWS. So they've created a tool called as Carbon Footprint Tool. With this tool, like the customer will come to know the carbon emissions by them. So let's see some of the features of this tool. So using this tool, the customers can see the environmental impact of their workloads on the environment. So whatever services they are running, they're consuming energy, electricity, whatever tools they are using from AWS like EC2, S3, everything has environmental impact. So customers can see and calculate their environmental impact. So in this tool, AWS provides easy to understand data visualizations. With that, the customers can see the history of carbon emissions by them with their workloads. They can see their emission trends based on the services they are using, based on the consumptions they have for now. Even like this is a very beautiful feature of this tool. Like they can see their approximate carbon emissions that they have avoided if they have used AWS rather than using on-premises servers. With their current usage, this tool provides forecasted emissions as well, like what they are going to emit in a month or in a year. Further, the customers can drill down the emissions by service, be it AWS EC2, be it S3 bucket, be it any other service from AWS. Every service is emitting carbon footprint. So you can further drill down these emissions by service. Then they can further drill it down by geography as well. Like let's say if they are running their workload in Mumbai region or maybe in London region or whatever region, they can filter this by geography as well. Even if they are deploying new resources in AWS, so they can measure changes as well of the carbon footprint. And this tool that is created by AWS, it meets the standard of greenhouse gas protocol. This protocol is developed uh, as a standard protocol for measuring carbon footprint. Okay, now let's see how does this tool looks like. Let's have an overview of this tool and where you can find this tool on AWS. So I've already logged into my AWS account and I'm into the billing section. Now under the billing section, you need to go into cost and usage reports. Therein, if you scroll it down, you can see this customer carbon footprint tool. So this tool they have launched for everyone. Like this is a public release from them. Every customers can see this tool. Maybe for new AWS account you cannot see any data statistics on this tool. I have this uh, account recently created, and as you can see, like I'm not able to see data of year 2022. So this might be the reason. Like as I have new AWS account, or might be some work still to be done on this part from AWS. Sure. So as I was discussing in the features, you can see your carbon emission summary here. You can compare your carbon emissions with on-premises computing environment. So let's say if you are using some on-premises services, and let's say if you're using AWS services, so you can see or you can compare, like if you have used AWS, how much you could have saved. Uh, you can see your emissions by geography. You can see your emissions by services. Here you can see your emission savings, like how much you have saved if you have used uh, renewable energy. Here you can see data graphs of your emissions by month, by quarter, by year. And this is the AWS path for 100% renewable energy, where tool stands there. They are showing statistics for that as well. So really, it is really very wonderful step from AWS in terms of emitting this carbon footprint. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, comment on our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.